Jai Maharashtra. So this video is directly related to the Maharashtra and the rivalry which is going on in the border of Belgaum, right? As we all know that what is happening in the dispute of the buses, wherein recent incident that has happened, wherein Karnataka bus that has entered into the Maharashtra border, and you know what has happened. I think you people have seen already the videos, wherein the Maharashtrian people have caught them, and they made them realize that you should not be behaving bad with the people for the local language and forcing them to speak. If you can do that, and if you have been doing it from all the years, then there is a time when you will also be caught at point of time, and we will make you realize that how it feels when a non regional language of your state you enter into, and then somebody forces you to speak that language. So right now, Karnataka buses that are entering into the Maharashtra state, they have caught them and they told them to speak in Marathi. Now, since you people says we are Karnataka and we respect every languages, we always respect the culture, huh? Then why you're not speaking Marathi now when you're entering Maharashtra? Where is the language? Your Karnataka drivers are clearly saying that, sir, we don't know Marathi. See, if I would be there in the place of anybody, I will still consider that with love. In fact, even Maharashtrian people have always, stood for this unity. They are the one who has been a warriors. Marathas, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He never thought whose state is who. He has captured all India and saved. But you people have forgotten. You people only think that Karnataka is the only state that has got so many things. The company is only running in Karnataka. The buses are only running in Karnataka. Educated people are only in Karnataka. Cultural people are only in Karnataka. But right now, it's only the Karnataka with you. No other state people are standing. Do you know that? Even though you're trying to catch other Telugu and everybody, even Telugu comments, if you note, they clearly say that we love and we respect every languages, because in Hyderabad they speak Hindi. Even if they do not know Hindi, they never do all these things. Why you're speak in Telugu. You will not find any videos from Telugu. In fact, from Tamil Nadu also, it's the politician who has told that, okay, we will make sure that everything holding is in Tamil. But fighting with somebody, arguing with any other non-state people and forcing them to speak the language is not found anywhere else. Now, your buses are going in Karnataka. Karnataka's buses are going in Maharashtra, sorry. Now what is happening? Are you feeling good now to see that a humble old person, he has been caught now? They're getting beaten up very badly. They are putting now Karnataka people are commenting, oh, Jai Karnataka, this is very sad. Why their buses are so poor? Why can't they make they're still laughing. So they are one of the worst people I have ever seen in any state in India. The Kannadigas, they are absolutely worst, man. They are very smart in everything, First they used to tell, hey, they should learn, language in which they are in. Now, where is that point? Why they are not learning Marathi when they are in Maharashtra? Number one. Second, when any, comments they get from UP, Bihar, they say, hey, I know how much poor your state is. We pay the highest GDP and taxes. Now, where is that point again? Because Maharashtra is the top in this, that it's the richest state of India. Now you do not got any point. Now bullshit you people are doing. Hey, look at the bus. So I got to know you people are waste. You people are shameless. You people, because of you people today, innocent drivers and conductors are getting beaten up. Do you realize this? Do you realize this fucking thing in your mind? You should understand. Because of you now they are suffering. Highly sad, man. Highly sad. Don't let them suffer, okay, because of you people.